crown refers to the direction of a bow. A bow is a lengthwise curve of the whole face of the board. The crown is the top side, the centered high side of the curve on the convex side of the board. You can think of the crown of a hill to remember it. It is the high spot of a hill. You need to determine that and mark your material so that you can work with some speed when you're doing your jointing. If you set your piece of wood onto one of your flat surfaces, in this case a short section on a jointer for a short piece of wood, and you push down on one end like this, you will lift up if the crown is down. If the crown is down, of course, that also means that as you move it along, it's going to rock back and forth because you will only have one line of contact, and it's like a wheel. You can't hold it flat. So we mark the other side with an X. This is fairly universal among shops. The X means crown side, that means up, and that means it's touching at both ends. And you can place your hands on it and feel it, not rock or not do anything in the way of tipping, staying in that plane. You can feel that. Good. Once you have it set in the correct crown position, you can rock the corners. You can rock it. See if it rocks from one corner to the other. And if it does, then the other corner isn't going to rock because twist goes. In this case, when I push here and it lifts up here, that means the twist is upward here and twist is upward here. And when it doesn't move right here, that's the straight line that this is folded around. We use a mark like this to indicate that these two corners represents the points that naturally contact. With that information, you can get rid of the twist by keeping your hand on one side only while you're feeding it across the jointer. This is a shorthand that represents a straight line from here to here. Don't cross over the line. If you do, you're going to have rocking happen. If you don't, and you keep pressure here, again, you've got 3 points of contact, a tripod. When you start feeding it, it will cut this corner first and leave a little bare spot right there. Then you do it again until it's all gone. Standard practice. Once you have all of this determined, on the side that is not the crown side, we mark it with pencil marks. It can be difficult to tell the difference between a part that's cut with a jointer and a part that came as original from the store, which may have, very likely has been planed in a similar fashion.